2021 Honda CRV cabin air filter. This is the first time he's changing cabin air filter after 50,000 kilometers. Let me see what's inside. So there is a bracket here. You need to press it downward. There you go. So it released. I don't know, the camera can pick it up or not. This one is released. So there is two tabs here, like as the other cars. You can easily push it to the left and release it. Same tab at the other side too. So here's the cabin air filter. There's two tabs, one here and one here. You can release them and open them, and you see it's marked up. Keep in mind which way your filter goes, because the airflow is from up to down. So here's the most dirty part of your filter, and downside is the cleaner one. So when you want to put it, remember, you have to remember that the airflow goes this way, from up to down. This is the filter I purchased for Honda CRV 2021. The code is CF11182, and this is the carbonized filter. You see, guys, here's the airflow mark. So it should be this way. So it's gonna go that way. See? Be sure that it's sitting in right way. After that, these two tabs, we need to take care of them. First, remember to put this bracket on in the hole. So push it down. Then you're going there you go, press it upward so it's locked. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.